Need to move your Liondesk data with ease? Let's dive into how to export your valuable information into a universally compatible CSV file, perfect for sharing, analyzing, and collaborating. First, let's sign into your Liondesk account and navigate to the contacts or any relevant section where your data is housed. Inside the contacts section, you will see your contact list now. Click the three dots action button in the upper right hand to find the option for export. After clicking export, a menu appears providing several export options. Focus on choosing CSV. This format is the gold standard for spreadsheets, data analysis, and sharing across platforms. Before you click the download button to export your data, you might want to check if you intend to export all the records in the system, or perhaps a subset of filtered records. This is important, so you don't export unnecessary information. Once you've selected your desired data, carefully select the CSV option and confirm your choice. Liondesk system will begin processing your request. The export will compile your contacts and data and create a CSV file available for download. The file will be ready to download in the notification section of the website. Finally, find the download in the upper right-hand side of your Liondesk account or your browser downloads. Click to download, and that's it. Your data is now exported as a CSV file. Now that you've got your CSV file, you can open it in any spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This is great for data review, analysis, and sharing with anyone on your team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Liondesk tips.